Hi everyone. In this video, I'm very happy to share with you that I have just launched my 3-day virtual live training event of organic conversations in hypnotherapy. For all the rest of the details like times, where will it happen, prices and so on, you can check up on the description of my Facebook banner for now, and in the days to come there will be plenty of more information and resources. For now, only a few words. What is it all about? But for those that don't know me, let me quickly say I'm Berta Imeri. I'm a licensed trainer of advanced conversational hypnosis that nonetheless, as a previously qualified clinical hypnotherapist in several globally known trainings and certifications, that I couldn't possibly tell, which one is better than the other. Practicing this modality with my own clients ever since I have come across it has blown my mind how much more simple, fast, and effective it has been. For more, I have been able to ditch like 99% of the excess work I was doing, not only during the sessions, but also before and after each session. For me, as a professional in this industry of hypnotherapy, and already thousands of other coaches, hypnotists, psychotherapists, and even CBT, EMDR, and NLP practitioners, has been working profoundly for vastly different problems with deep-rooted roots in over 15 niches or even more. Now, I'm very happy to be able to teach my own classes under Organic Conversations in Hypnotherapy and spread this approach as much possible, because if you're anything like me and have been constantly looking for something that will make your practice better, easier, faster, I can tell you this is not only easier and faster, but also a content free. Therefore, it may just make your experience better and have you never worry if your work has landed right or not any longer. In any case, you will not have to overthink which technique to use for a certain case, what induction is better, who to ask for a script for a certain problem, what language pattern would serve me better in some cases, and then at some extreme times, even how to refer on a particular client after 5 years of work and still not significant improvement seen. That is because organic conversations in hypnotherapy, as you have maybe heard in my previous videos, is not requiring any of that. So if you can be excited to never have to look for more tools, to never have to ask for, buy, or create one more script, be able to dive straight into the problem and have your client work it through in an elegant manner without having them to do like anything, proving their hypnotizability or suggestibility, this is going to be something for you too. What else? You'll gain certainty in your practice and not be thinking of the number of sessions anymore. And for real, all, as we know, all clients are different. So thinking of the number of sessions makes no sense, really. Speaking of sense, as strange as it may sound, even though organic conversations in hypnotherapy entails the word hypnotherapy in it, it will finally bring sense back into your practice. So no need to just trust anymore. You'll be able to experience this during the 3-day of the live training, as we will dive in straight into demonstrations sessions with my direct mentoring. So not much theory will be focused on, but as much practice as possible. Now, if you're also excited to see your client's eyes and face lighting up right in front of you because they finally feel as their therapist talks to them and not in some strange language that they can hardly make sense of or understand, and sometimes end up in even more confusion, this is also training for you. And the best part is that you will be able to apply it straight away after the training with your clients. Now, I could speak forever about this, though, as this video was meant to be just a short announcement. For now, let me only add that in this enrollment, there are plenty of bonuses included. A few of them are a private Facebook community with real-time support from myself and other amazing hypnotists in the group. Also, if you decide to enroll, you will only need to enroll once and participate in all future live trainings as many times as you wish. But if you can't make it, this will be also recorded, so you'll be able to go through it at any time more convenient for you. For everyone that need more clarity, please use the link with a survey on my Facebook bio, where you can book a free clarity call with me for additional questions if you have. And for now, thank you very much for listening.